How to find your unfair advantage in life. Hi, this is EJ, Channel Master here at Business Brain USA. There's a topic that no one really talks about in entrepreneurship or online business, and that's the unfair advantages someone had when they first started out. Behind every killer case study, every income report, every overnight success, there's a backstory that you don't always hear. The truth is, no one ever really wants to start from scratch. We bring our own history, perspectives, and baggage to the table. We also have the advantage of learning from everyone who's gone before us. Like Newton said, we stand on the shoulders of giants. In this video, I'll share some unfair advantages that undoubtedly helped me and offer up some that you probably have working for yourself as well. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons to be sure not to miss any of our amazing content in the future. Go ahead, get that done. I'll wait. Okay, let's get into it. Some common unfair advantages. How do you find your unfair advantage? You might not have an immediate answer to that, but one advantage you have is that you're the only you out there. No one else shares your exact experiences or outlook. Here are some common advantages you might have lurking right in your back pocket. Your unique experience. Your existing experience and knowledge are unique to you, and probably an unfair advantage that you can use in building your business or career. I was blessed to get experience in several helpful areas early on, including sales. I sold jewelry door to door, newspaper subscriptions over the phone, and cars for a number of years. Humbling experiences to say the least, but they taught me something. AdWords. I didn't have to wait for traffic to grow organically. I could afford to buy it from day one and grow my business that way. Blogging. I always enjoyed writing, and I started a personal blog in 2016, years before I ever thought of Business Brain USA. That gave me a familiarity with WordPress, which has come in handy, and tons of experience and practice writing online, even though no one really ever read it. Deep subject matter expertise can be helpful in starting a side hustle, but it certainly is not required. What experience do you bring to the table? What problems or challenges have you overcome in your own life? And could you help others do the same? Networking. It's not what you know, it's who you know, right? Your existing network, however small, can be an incredibly valuable resource to lean on when starting your business. It's also something that's entirely unique to you. No one else has the exact same network. How this might work is simply by telling your connections what you're up to. You're not likely to sell them directly, but by sharing your work, you put yourself in a position to earn referrals. Maybe they can introduce you to someone who could use your help, or to someone who could help you. We all have a network. It doesn't have to be huge. It doesn't have to be famous. It doesn't have to be this awkward one-sided sales pitchy relationship. But these are people who already know you and at least care a little about you, and they're probably willing to help you out. If it's a fit, if you ask. Money. Not everyone is starting on an equal ground when it comes to money. While I didn't have a huge nest egg, heck, I was really young, I had a little savings from working through high school and no debt. I had a job and a reasonably inexpensive lifestyle. I had time to build something. Being alive right now is probably the biggest unfair advantage we all share. How lucky are we to be alive right now? In our pockets, we have access to all the world's information and can connect with people in an instant, even if they're thousands of miles away. We have tools and apps and markets that never existed. Individual sellers can get shelf space on the world's largest stores. You have the same digital publishing power that a major media company had just 10 years ago. Getting online has never been easier or cheaper. I get to talk with you every week from my kid's bedroom closet. How incredible is that? The gatekeepers are gone. I see all today's technology as a major unfair advantage for entrepreneurs now versus even 10 or 15 years ago. The tools may change, but the fundamentals stay the same. A business is just a problem-solving machine. That's it. Who do you help? How do you help them? How do you connect with those customers? And how do they pay you? Answer those 4 questions and you're off to the races. Those are just a few unfair advantages I can list in my life experience. Consider now your own unique circumstances and learn to exploit your own advantages for increased wealth and prosperity. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end. If you feel like you've received some real value from this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and drop us a comment and let us know if we're serving you. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.